in detail about the UG Part 3 examination 2020 under the 1+1 pattern. From the 15 September 2020, candidate of UG Part 3 shall download their admit card from the website nbuexams.net. From 21st to 26 September 2020, a candidate of UG Part 3 examination 2020 may also download the first page of the blank answer script from nbuexams.net and may use A4 size paper for writing the answers. And the last option for students of UG Part 3 examination 2020 living far away from his or her college may collect the blank written script and loose sheets from the nearest college or center on productions of the aforesaid documents by their guardian or any authorized person. For the same, NBSM Nani Bhattacharya Smarak Mahavidyalaya College has set 3 centers in Hasimara Police Station, Kalchini BDO Office and Madarihat Milan Pathagar in the library. So detail will be given separately in the notice. Please follow the same. From 30th September 2020 to 5th October 2020, the question paper will be uploaded on the daily basis sharp at 5 p.m. in nbuexams.net on the previous day of the examination as per examination schedule, and the students may download the question paper inserting their registration number. From 1st to 6th October 2020, the candidate of UG Part 3 examination 2020 shall write their examination in the blank answer scripts provided for all the paper sitting at home. Answer script will have to be submitted by the guardian or any authorized person in the college within 24 hours after completion of each paper, maintaining COVID-19 protocols on the production of photocopy of admit card, original registration card and photo identity of the candidate within 5 p.m. on the day of examination. After submission of the candidate's written script by any authorized person, they shall be provided with a received copy of acknowledgement of the receipt by the college. If a candidate is unable to submit the hard copy of the written script in the college concerned within 24 hours, may upload the same in PDF format in the college website within 24 hours after completion of writing the paper, that is within 5 p.m. on the day of examination. Here it is given website, but the candidate must send email in given email ID to the college concerned in given email ID. Submission of the hard copies of the written script have to be done by the authorized person on the next day after the completion of the entire examinations, who had uploaded in PDF format in the college website. So by this way, the UG Part 3 examination 2020 results shall be published, may be published in 31st October 2020. Here is one important notification, that is, practicals marks of paper concern shall be considered based on what has already been sent by the college. If a candidate is unwilling to appear for the prescribed modes of examination 2020, they may intimate the principal of the college concerned within 30th September 2020, who in turn will inform the controller of examination, University of North Bengal, via email. The candidate may